If you crave chocolate as much as I do, but you don't want all of the extra calories or carbs, this is the recipe for you. It's chocolate chia seed pudding. It's going to be a 1/4 cup of the chia seeds, a cup of the milk, 2 tablespoons of the baking cocoa, and these 2 items I got at Aldi, a bowl, sweetener of choice, and a spoon to stir it with. My milk of choice is actually half and half, so I put the cup of milk in my bowl. I'm going to put the chia seeds in. That's a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and you know when you work with chia seeds, you got to let them soak. We'll get to that in a second. I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of the cocoa. That's 1. Oh, I can't do this one-handed. And there is number 2. And I'm going to stir that up. Now, it's important to get this all incorporated. So you're going to keep stirring, get all that chocolate and chia seeds stirred in there. I also have to add my sweetener yet. Let me add that. You got to stir that all in and then make sure there's no lumps with the chocolate. And you can see lots of bubbles are created. Just keep stirring it in. So once that's all incorporated, you're going to let this sit for 15 minutes. And the chia seeds are going to start to soak up a lot of the liquid. And then we're going to come back and we're going to stir it again. You know, I might actually get my whisk out. That works better. Oh, that is so much better. So much faster. Oh, that looks so good already. So now that I have it all incorporated, I'm going to put a timer on for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'll show you what it looks like. My 15-minute timer went off, and now it's time to stir this up. And then I'm going to put a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. That's a minimum amount of time. You can put it in overnight, but we want to have this as our dessert tonight. So the pudding has stayed in the refrigerator for more than 4 hours. And now I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to serve it in individual bowls. I have whipped cream and cherries. The last time I had fresh strawberries on hand. You can put whatever fruit you want in there. You can put the heavy whipping cream if you want. You can mix peanuts in or anything you want. You can just eat it as is. So my husband wants just chocolate pudding. This is going to be his first time trying it. I'm going to do chocolate pudding, whipped cream, peanuts, and a maraschino cherry. Perfect.